Welcome friends, myself Sujata Agarwal, tarot card reader and Vedic astrologer. Today I have come up with weekly forecast for the upcoming week through tarot cards for all the zodiac signs. Let's start with Aries. For Aries, message for this week is Four of Pentacles, which shows they have some issues related to money and they will feel that things are going out of control. But they don't have to be possessive for that and don't be so much confused. They have to give space, and by giving time, they will feel relaxed and things will be in their control. So they don't have to be possessive for any issue. For next sign, Taurus, message is Ace of Wands, which is showing that this week they may get some good opportunity which will be very promising for them and it will bring very good results in the future, and this opportunity will be long lasting as well, especially in their job or career. For next sign, Gemini, message is Seven of Swords, which shows that this week they have to remain conscious from their surroundings, especially at workplace, as people close to them may deceive for their own interest. So basically they don't have to share their secrets with their closed ones. For next sign, Cancer, message is Justice card, which shows that they have been waiting for some result to be in their favor, but delay is there. But this upcoming week they may get result in their favor without any partiality. For next sign, Leo, message is Judgment, which is again Justice card, but it shows that they have to be patient as slow and steady wins the race, as if they keep patience, results will be in their favor and in last they will be the beneficiary. So they have to keep patience. For next sign, Virgo, message is Hermit, which shows that they will be tired, so they have to give refreshment to themselves. They need change, so they should take rest, else health can be impacted. Or if they are struggling with any issue, so they need advice of some senior or elder in that knowledge, as with this expert advice they will be relieved and they will get good result. For next sign, Libra, message is Ace of Cups, which shows that this week they may expect some good news or some pleasant surprise from their closed ones. So wait for some good surprise, as it will be a very good news for you and it can be related to any child as well. For next sign, Scorpio, message is Seven of Wands, which shows that you are quite mentally tired and some conflicts and doubts are there. But basically these conflicts and doubts are due to difference in thoughts, else there is no issue and things are in your favor. For next sign, which is Sagittarius, message is Fool, which shows that now your destiny is with you. You can start new journey, which can be new business, new venture, new job. But in that job or in that business, you have to be very cautious and you have to keep in mind that your friends are with you and they are faithful as well. But don't share your all the secrets to your friends and your closed ones. And you have to keep your eyes also open, as this will be a new journey for you, so you can face any hurdle or obstacles. So for that you have to be very vigilant. For next sign, which is Capricorn, message is 5 of Swords, which shows that you will feel bullied this week and you will feel that people are bullying you behind your back. So you have to make your communication clear to them, as basically conflicts and doubts are there due to misunderstanding and you think that they are taking misuse of their power. For next sign, which is Aquarius, and Aquarius also means moon, and I am message getting which is also moon. So this week they may face quite emotional and they will feel that they are not getting proper sleep as delay is there. So they have to keep it in mind that they have to be emotionally and mentally balanced, because by being extra emotional or by taking extra stress on that thing, they won't get the results so soon. So they have to keep in mind that delay is natural and they have to be emotionally and mentally strong. For last sign, which is Pisces sign, I am getting message King of Swords, which shows that you have to keep focused approach in achieving the target, and you have to be very much clear in your communication as well, as whatever is going in your mind, be clear in that, else people will think that you are self-centered. So this is for all 12 zodiac signs. For more astrological predictions, you can reach out to me through Astro Talk. All the best. Thank you.